Welcome to Crypto Rupee, your trusted source for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into something exciting, testing my latest algo trading strategy across various cryptocurrencies. Will this strategy crack the code to better profits? Stick around to find out. First up, let's talk about Bitcoin. While we're running our test, here's a quick puzzle for you. What was the maximum supply of Bitcoin set by its mysterious creator, Satoshi Nakamoto? The answer is 21 million. That's the total number of Bitcoins that will ever exist, making it a scarce asset. Moving on to Ethereum, we're testing how this strategy works on an asset with more volatility. Puzzle time. What is the native currency of the Ethereum network? The answer is Ether. While Ethereum fuels the blockchain, Ether is the currency that keeps it moving. Our strategy also takes into account the crypto market sentiment. Here's a tricky one. Which cryptocurrency was named after a popular meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog? That's right, Dogecoin. It started as a joke, but quickly became one of the most recognized cryptocurrencies worldwide. As we continue testing across Litecoin, Ripple, and others, the goal is simple: identify the best entry and exit points for each asset and enhance our algo trading strategy. With the right analysis and data, we aim to refine this strategy for maximum profits across different crypto markets. Thanks for joining today's Crypto Rupee test of our algo trading strategy. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop your thoughts in the comments. For exclusive tips, visit our website at cryptorupee.co.in and join our Telegram community.